Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. Good Friday out here at the lot. We got friends and family here. My man Tim with Velvet Pig Smokehouse. He's here to pick up his rig. We just got done building them. And hey, we wore it out today. So we got the smoker going, the dumpster going, the fryer going. So let's check her out. Now, as you can see, this is on our single axle trailer package. Got a heavy duty 6,000 pound axle with brakes on it. Custom built, design trailer in-house, of course. So sat down with Tim, said, Tim, what all you want on this? He said, hey, I want it all. So we got him hooked up with it. But past the trailer, we've got our, let me set my Mountain Dew down here. Got to have a cold dew. Got a 250 gallon TMG tank smoker on the trailer. Let's open her up here. So like I said, we got had some chickens going on here today. You got your two sliding top racks here, full bottom racks. A lot of cook room in this unit. It's a big smoker. Got our signature three-dimensional hand fabricated hinges, handles, of course. The custom Velvet Pig Smokehouse stainless steel logo on there. And check out this firebox. Fully insulated firebox, even the door here. Check that door out. She is stout. Hey, we're running a 250, having full with it for about an hour. That's what our fire looks like. All right, she runs smooth. Close that down. Come around the back here. Now, he wanted a stainless steel prep station on top of his wood storage here. And as you can see, we're using the mess out of this thing. So I've got a lot of storage underneath. This lid does fold up so you can get to all that. Got our chicken. Tim fried us some fish. We got some hush puppies in the fryer up here. Brandon always makes fun of me for saying hush puppies in videos, but hey, we fried us some hush puppies today. Now we got the TMG dumpster up next here. Open this thing up. Now Tim actually did a pretty cool deal here. He had us add in some glass windows in the bottom of it so you can check in there, see your fire. Now guys, on this dumpster we've got a insulated bottom, 1/4 inch steel on the bottom. The whole rest of it is all 3/16 plate steel, so super heavy duty. Got a gas strut assist on it. Goes down, got a lock on it here for when you're going down the road. And we got that 6-gallon Cajun fryer here. That's what we did our hush puppies and fish in. Came out, I think the fish was a hit today. Everybody liked the fish. So we got that 6-gallon fryer. Of course, we hooked them up with a spare tire on the side. Guys, that is Tim's. We got the griddle top for the dumpster. I think that's the first time we've done that on a dumpster. Just set that in there on top of one of your cooking grates. Actually, let's open this back up for other people. He had us add in a lower cooking grate here. So set your griddle on top of there, get it close to the fire. You got your wood-fired griddle in there as well. Super versatile, guys. You know, that's what we're about here at TMG. But that is Tim's 250-gallon trailer set up here. He's about to hook up to it, haul ass back home and wear it out. But guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.